Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk 2027 how to make a sphere. So I will create for the new part. I will use standard millimeter. And the next can create sketch. So I will choose the top plane. Okay, draw the circle object. And the next I will draw lines from these points to the bottom. Click finish sketch. And to create sphere, you can use revolve tools. So we'll click at this area. For the axis revolver, you can click at the line object. So to be create for the sphere, I will change again for the angle here, like 270 degree. So this is 270 degree. If you're done, you can click OK. So I will click again at these two face. Use the cell tools to create cells into the object. Click OK to apply. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to make sphere.